In this video, I will tell you how to open business Revolut account. Start by opening a browser on your computer or phone. In the search bar, type Revolut Business Account and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official link. It should be www.revolut.com/business. Once you're on the Revolut Business homepage, accept the cookies if prompted. Then click the Get Started button. You can also tap the menu icon in the top right corner and hit sign up. Now select your country from the list and click continue. If Revolut Business isn't available in your country yet, you will see an option to join the wait list. Next, choose your business type and click continue. Then enter your email address. Revolut will send you a verification code. Check your inbox, enter the code and move on. Now add your phone number, click continue and enter the code they text you. Next, create a strong password for your new account and click continue. You will now be asked for a few personal details: your first name, last name, and date of birth. Enter those, then type in your business name and continue. You'll need to select your citizenship, confirm you have proof of residence, and then provide your business details like legal name, trade name, EIN, and date of incorporation. Just follow the prompts on the screen. Once you're done, your Revolut business account will be ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.